My name is Bud Mitchell-Tree in Indianapolis, Indiana. And my wife and I were looking for a handicap van for our daughter who has a very severely handicapped son. He's almost 17, wheelchair bound. Her van died on her, and so we're retired. We didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on this van, but we tried to get a nice one. And we bought one off a fella up here in Fishers that had it for sale on the internet. We went up, we looked at it, we drove it. It seemed like a pretty nice van. It was a cash deal. Originally he wanted $8,800 for it. He said $8,000, so we paid $8,000. We got it home, and of course the door didn't work on the driver's side, the back door, so we took it to Penske to have them fix it up. Found out there was a problem, and the whole bottom's rusted out. There's no frame, there's no mobility frame, everything's gone. Now I'm kind of old, I got bad knees, I can't get down on the ground to check underneath. I called the fella, he says, I'm not buying it back, I'm not doing anything, I didn't know anything was wrong with the frame. I didn't tell you you couldn't put it up on a lift or anything, but I don't have a lift. So we're kind of stuck now. We're probably going to have to scrap the van because it's in such bad shape.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Smith with Superior Van & Mobility, and bringing you a buying tip when looking for used vans. We know there are several choices out there when shopping for vehicles. We just want to make sure you get a good, safe van. Thought I'd give you a little example here. Here's a vehicle, a 2008 Honda Odyssey that was purchased off of Facebook Marketplace. The customer brought it into us to inspect it to make sure it was in good working order. Visually, from the outside, the vehicle looks to be in great shape. No dents, no dings, interior is nice and clean. Nothing that an unsuspecting buyer wouldn't think twice about. But what's important on these conversions is to make sure what the underside looks like. There could be structural issues. Let's take a look at this one. Go underneath and take a look. As you can see, this conversion is completely rusted out. This here is the actual carpet underside from inside the vehicle. Frame rails being completely rusted out, as this being the structural support of the vehicle. Looking at this, it looks to be very unsafe. We're seeing exposed wiring underneath the vehicle from corrosion. More damage over here. In fact, that's the carpet on the inside. So as we see, this vehicle is probably not fit for the road and completely unsafe. So should you be shopping online and looking at a van, bring it to us, Superior Van, so we can inspect it to make sure you're getting a safe van. Should you have any other questions, reach us at superiorvan.com.